In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an import on Salesforce. Maybe you or someone on your team has just imported a list of records and you've realized something isn't quite right. Instead of cleaning them up one by one, Salesforce gives you a way to remove multiple records at once using the mass delete feature. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find those imported records and safely delete them. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your setup or settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and from the drop-down that appears, choose the option that opens the advanced setup area. This will take you into the full setup interface, where we can access more powerful admin tools. On the left-hand side of the setup page, you'll see a navigation panel. At the top of that panel, there's a search bar. Click into that search bar and type mass delete records. As you type, Salesforce will show you matching options. When you see mass delete records appear in the search results, click on it to open the mass delete page. Now you'll be asked to choose which type of records you want to delete. Salesforce lets you mass delete different record types such as accounts, leads, activities, contacts, cases, products, or reports. In this example, we'll focus on contacts, but the process is very similar for the other record types as well. Click on the record type that matches what you imported. If your import was contacts, select contacts. Next, you'll set up criteria so Salesforce can find the right records to delete. You'll see 3 fields you can use to filter. A helpful way to target imported records is by the owner of those records, which is often the person who performed the import. In the first field, choose a field like owner first name. In the second field, select the condition equals. In the third field, type the actual first name of the owner who did the import. Press enter on your keyboard or click the search button and wait a moment while Salesforce pulls up all records that match your criteria. You'll now see a list of matching records displayed below. Carefully review this list to make sure these are indeed the records from the import you want to undo. When you're confident, select the records you want to remove by checking the boxes next to them. You can select specific records or all of them, depending on what you need to undo. Once your selection is ready, click the delete button. Salesforce may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete these records. Confirm the action, and Salesforce will delete those selected records in bulk, and that's it. You've successfully undone your import by mass deleting the unwanted records in Salesforce.